Hi everyone, in this tutorial you're going to learn how to create a superscript in Excel. There are two various ways we can achieve this. It all begins by inserting the whole information that you want to make a superscript. So in our case we can have third, and then we can have fourth, okay, fifth, and also second. And then I can choose the month as maybe January, Jan. And then we can have November, and we can have April. So we want to have this RD as a superscript, this TH as a superscript, and this ND as a superscript. So the first way you can achieve this is to highlight the letters or the numbers that you want to have as a superscript, and then right click on it, and down here there's format cells, click on it, and here you can click superscript and then click OK. So we'll see that it turns into a superscript. So the other way is to highlight here, and then you click on this arrow here on the font, and then you click on superscript and then click OK. So the same applies onto this. You can choose either way to do it, superscript and then click OK. I hope this has been informative. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and also share. Thank you.